Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be continuing our symbol series and we'll be drawing an infinity symbol for Friends Forever. So let's get started. To draw this Friends Forever symbol, we're going to first start by drawing a kind of like a teardrop on its side. So I'm just going to give myself a point right here, and this is going to be my center. It's actually kind of like drawing two loops for a bow, but we're going to start right here and we're going to go around. So we're going to start right here and come right back. So it's all up to you how long you want this loop to be. And before I finish this, I know there's going to be a word forever right here, so I'm going to stop right there. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and go all the way back to here. So I'm just going to finish this part off so I can see a little bit better. But I'm going to leave that open. And now to draw the other side. So I'm just going to continue this because it is an infinity loop. So I'm going to drag this point across, and approximately how high, and draw the other side, the other loop. So I'm just going to step back and take a look approximately the other side, how far to go. Let's say about right here, I'll bring it in. And once again, just like the other side, there's going to be hearts right here, so I'm going to stop before I finish that point. And let's draw this side now. So let's come right back down. And we're going to go bring this part across right there. Okay, so like I said, if you're using a pencil, make sure to finish your loops and then you can put the elements in. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to draw, I'm going to write the word forever here. So I'm going to start. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And about right there in cursive, I'm going to write forever. So it's all going to be at a curve. Just remember, it's going to be a curve going this way. So I'm going to start about right here. So you don't have to do cursive if you're not comfortable drawing cursive. You can always just print it. So I'm going to draw an O, loop it, and I'm going to draw an R, and then an E, and a V. So I'm starting to come up now a little bit. So my V is going to come about right here, and I'm going to loop it around, and then draw E, and then a R. There. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect this down. So you can come in here and just fix your angles as you need. So you thicken everything up. Okay, so I have the word forever right here. And then on this side, I'm going to draw two hearts. So just imagining this loop is continued, I'm going to draw a heart about right here, right on that line. So I have my center. And the other side, and then I'm going to come, say about right here, draw another heart in the back. Come straight down, and draw my other heart. There, have my two hearts in. And so then let's go ahead and finish this loop. In, and there. Okay, so then now that I have this in, I'm going to go in there, thicken everything up, and color it for you. So there, hope you love how this Friendship Forever Infinity loop turned out, and it inspires you to draw it too for your best friend. Thanks so much for watching. If you love this symbol, please make sure to look out for all the other symbols that I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.